For the third quarter of 2022, we've seen a number of trends that have emerged in the aerospace, defense, and government services M&A marketplaces. The first is the Fed funds rate, which dictates the cost of capital. That's now at 3.25%, and that's had an impact on the amount of loans that banks are making. The second is pressure on valuations. We've seen a small drop in the multiple valuations in the public sector, and that's going to make its way into the M&A market as well. The third headwind in the M&A market is contract awards slipping to the right. A number of federal agencies have had a hard time getting RFPs out on time and awarding contracts on time. This has caused companies to reforecast and shift their forecast to the right. And finally, it's a tighter labor market. Whether it's working from home or the Great Resignation or maybe even the quiet quitting, there still seems to be challenges in productivity and retention in hiring. But with all these headwinds, there are some positives in the marketplace as well. There still remains a great amount of capital available in the markets. PitchBook indicates that there's still over $1 trillion of dry capital in the private equity world. We see that private equity continues to raise capital and deploy that capital just about at the same rate. Strategics and private equity-backed strategics are still making niche acquisitions to fill in their portfolio. Whether it's geography, technology-based, or getting it to a new market, they're still finding right companies to fit into their portfolio. We'll keep an eye on the headwinds. We'll continue to watch the earnings in the marketplace and see what impact that has on valuations in the next quarter or two.